In the past few months, the rumor mill regarding the upcoming iPhone 15 lineup has been chumming along with rumblings of new features and specs. One thing that hasn't quite settled in, though, is what colors the new devices are going to come in. That may be changing, with new leaks showing a departure from one of the standard colors that came with the iPhone 14 Pro series. Like any year, we expect Apple to have different colors for the regular iPhones and the Pro-branded iPhones. Usually, Apple goes for fresh and youthful colors for the regular iPhones, and the Pro ones get more serious and deep colors that are slightly darker and not that vibrant. This year, leaks and rumors are pointing to a few interesting colors we might see. Light pink and light blue are possible as color options for the regular iPhone 15, while a sophisticated-looking deep red, which some rumors call crimson, seems to be in consideration for the iPhone 15 Pro. Another rumor says a dark blue is considered for the iPhone 15 Pro, and that possibly the quite popular gold color option may be replaced by what is called Titan Gray. It is expected that Apple will lean into the change of stainless steel for titanium on the iPhone 15 Pro by way of a new gray color option. While the name of the color is in limbo, it has been referenced as Titan Gray in several instances. This new color will be lighter than the black or graphite color, but also darker than the silver color that Apple will offer. This is for the first time in years, Apple will not be offering its new iPhone Pro in gold color. It's true that Apple is quite capable of keeping things secretive around a new iPhone release. Leakers are doing their best of uncovering tidbits of info, but there are still many unknowns and at least unconfirmed details about the new iPhones. Things will be getting more exciting as we draw near the official launch of the 4 phones. We believe more leaks will surface, and we may even get a look at all the colors the iPhone 15 will come in. For now, though, things are looking promising, at least on the Pro end with that Titan Gray color. So how do you like these new colors for the upcoming iPhone 15 lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and for more Apple updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.